and then right from my entry into this hall, and then what we have already seen, the presentations, a năm hi, a ra, atun teka imit cha kong lo ke ka changa, han kom hi, imit ek tek rin changa ti, chiang taken muthai makben. Student a hong changa tam job tu, misina freshers a ha introduction ani an hong thoa, an tom teng an hong, a hong lawan taman ti, mahar irinen an hong mak mo mangai kom ha kum dang tiang ha chaka zai thon lang sa ti bol, macam mun jagraya ini a oma, kei kom a nam pui ki changa. 1916 had Halam student freshers meet Bogor Singh Youth Hostel chief guest in Ken Manga. He said, "Away khatna han tak tam ka anhong an program asa ini ha away ngak na chang ta chang han kom hi ai lung rual mak mo changati na imo jen mo adik lau na om hamate nang li ngai ronen dia yen ngai unawai lekhai say we are studying in schools and colleges. We learned. Why we learned? Because we want to earn. Air say he nunga chakri mandrang nunga airang sumandrang tina achang dine na lekhai air say achang. But our education is as such that the purpose of our learning is not to earn, but to listen. You know, earning and listening, there is only difference is the alphabet L. And therefore, those of you, the student especially, as you are enrolled in the different colleges and institutions, there are many things that you have to unlearn. Your cultural habits, those are habits which are not acceptable by other cultures, because we live in a conglomeration of different cultures and languages here in Tripura. Elekai say na ha era mi dang mi nam mi chong Bila a core hong Buddha changa. Mangan hi a hong porena ha khat ka ira tranju. A thupo yemati. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Atya. But in the better English translation, it says the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Knowledge and wisdom are a little bit different. This is found in Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10. Lalpa chit hi finna singna varna bhulakya cha. Lalpa chit akai parang e chit kincang maka chit tiom je chu hamarang ai boromai tho e chong hi siam lom tam ka om kip mak a trong ir kip makin hai ini kom kip mak met ki thachi atun lai translation chang tin tha luka mi luka sui ha i translation ba han tam karila chang a trong hi siam lom tam kom kerbe ga a trong ir kip mak keden hi ini kom ir kip mak tam ka om pi mo chang abul chen chu pathian chit Pathian chi mak men, mirang ai chi, mirang parang ai chi, amuk phornar ai chi. Unaw ngai abikin lekhar sei ngai hi, tangni terang ilom chi. Je nen amnu kokom chang rasa. Pathian ha nen chitrang. Mi tu kai mung ngai, kai en mangai, ai ti thai. Pathian chu ai nia mo chang. Mangan hi ai lekhar sei arbul chem singna varna chu pathian chit a chang pathian chit. What is the meaning of the fear of the Lord? In the same Bible it says, to fear is to hate evil. Atyachar. Proverbs chapter 8 verse 10 or 11, I don't exactly remember, but to fear is to hate evil. Pathian chit tiom jechu asalo rang ha nail rang tinachang. Asalo nail rang. To hate evils. What evils? Asalo imo. Rirang nang mo. Asalo te ireng ke nail rang. Mangan hi pathian chit tiom jechu asalo rang pai rang. Asalo ha no rang tinachang. Mangan hi unaw ngay athar reti pathian chit om jechu asalo rang ha pai rang. To hate evils. What are those evils? Number one is pride. Pride. Trong ini intereti repagna. Number one hi repagna. Kai peng hi irpaga chang. Ki mudan inter. Ei thai mataga ei irpag mataga. Kintu pathian hama adit lo chema chang. Repag. Mangan hi rilom tam ko mu mazak chan silam hi pham. Thank you.